Hello friends, my name is Brij and you are watching the channel where I upload the videos in English language. And today I have started this journey in which I will discuss the topic, any random topic, and will practice this spoken English. Yeah, if you like it, then stay tuned. If you don't like, then you can quit. So now I am starting this journey to make ourselves better version. Okay, this starts from today. What is the perfect time and what is the right time? Perfect time never comes, and right time never comes. We all have 24 hours, and in these 24 hours we have to do our daily tasks. We have to complete our daily basics and studies, job, whatever our task is, we have to complete. But we have to learn something new as well. We have to make ourselves better version than yesterday as well. So if we don't work on our skills, if we don't polish our skills, we don't grow. So if we want to grow, we will have to polish our skills as well, and that will happen if we give the extra time. And if we give the extra, then we become better version than others. Who becomes the monitor in the class? The person or the student who studies more, who does the extra work, extra task, becomes the monitor or CR of the class. So if you really want to become better than other person who who are living with you, or you are living with them, then you will have to do extra effort, extra work, extra study than others. So for beating the exam, you will have to do extra. You must have heard one line: for beating the enemy in the battle, you will have to sweat in the private. So sweat in the private, and for becoming the successful in battlefield. So for defeating the enemy in battlefield, sweat in the private. Okay, so if you really want to grow in your life, just polish your skills and polish your skills and make yourself better version than yesterday. So 1% better version than yesterday, and make yourself 1% better. Thank you very much. That's all for today, and we'll meet you in next video. Thank you.